Tommy Vercetti? Shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out.
He kept his head down, helps people forget.
People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business.
Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny?
We treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town, okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit.
Times are changing. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down to do the dirty work for us and cut ourselves a nice, quiet...
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shovels shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Come on, this is my first night.
Oh, you gotta...
Hello, Sonny.
Whoever heard of a gun or a bear causing
Hurry up!
Go get some sleep, he says. I have been...
and a seat on the board? Would you run around graffitiing your name all over town and making a nuisance of yourself, spinning on your back and popping and locking and... Not a hope. It's simple. If you don't have a job, starve. Get out of my constituency. Bye.
Nice bike.
Hey, officer, I don't know nothing, man. No, my bike!
So the conversation turned until the sun went down, and many fantasies were learned on that day.
What
Buenas noches.
My husband and I.
Will you be working for my father?
Maybe.
So difficult having a rich and powerful father. Vamos.
Plunder and burn all that you find.
And if you order now, you'll receive Thor's Subliminal Tape series, so you gain wisdom of the gods while sleeping.
Accept the crystal cup at the feast. Beware the dwarf.
Thor's personal Norse power program. Call now. 866-PILLAGE. That's 866.
See you around, handsome.
Of stirrers and hatred, I couldn't feel pain. Shoot, I even break my own leg for fun. They made me play when I was ill or injured, and that was because I was little more than a piece of meat to them.